Hello guys, what's up? It's your boy Mark Dash from the free Profitable Forex group. Now I bring you a brand new video of the Golden Axe strategy. The Golden Axe strategy. This is a very powerful, very profitable, very strong strategy which most of the successful forex traders out there use. Okay, I don't want you to be left out. I want everybody to learn this strategy. I want you guys to apply this strategy so that you also can become profitable. Now let's quickly go to our MT5. Let me show you how we set it up. Okay, I think I've already set it up, but what I would do, I would just delete. Yeah, let me just delete so that I can show you step by step how to set it up. So go to your indicator window, moving average. You set it to period 300. Shift 0 linear weight, apply to weighted close. Okay, style, pick any color, pick any, done. Go back, main chart, moving average. This time around make it 100. Shift 0, method linear weight, apply to previous indicators data. Okay, I'll make it gold this time around, done. That's what I wanted. Again, main chart, this time around add the stochastic oscillator, make the periods, make them one, everything one, just like we were seeing on the screen. And then the colors, guys, make them the same color with your background. If you have a black background, make them black, both main and signal. And then if you have a white, do what I've done. Levels, level 20 and level 80. Level 20 will be your oversold and your level 80 will be your overbought zone. And then you click done. Go back, indicator window 1, click moving average, same moving average lines apparatus that we used. So it will be period 300, shift 0, method linear weight, apply to weighted close, pixel, I will put 3 and I'll put the color black. I go back, indicator window 1, click again, moving average, this time make it 100, shift 0, method linear weight, apply to previous indicators data, and make it gold, done. That's it. That's what we want. Now let me show you. This is boom 1000. This is the Golden Axe strategy, guys. So the black and the gold moving average lines move parallel to each other. Every time that they cross, that's a sign that the market is about to or has changed direction. Okay, so these two lines, these moving average lines, are trend indicators. They show us where the trend is going. So for example, when the price is above the black moving average excuse me, when the price is above the black moving average or the 300 moving average, it means that that's an uptrend. When the price is below the black or below the 300 moving average, which is the black one as well, I don't know why I had to say that. Yeah, it means that that's a downtrend. So how do we enter? What's our main condition to enter? When we see a crossing on the main chart, okay, when we see a crossing on the main chart, boom, there's a crossing. Okay, when there's a crossing on the main chart, we go to the stochastic. We also check, is there a crossing? Well, yes, there is. Boom, there's a crossing there. So what are the conditions of the crossing in the stochastic? The conditions of the crossing in the stock is that the crossing should happen above the overbought or below the oversold. If the crossing has happened above the overbought, it means that we are going to make a sell entry. If the condition is that the crossing has happened below the oversold, it means that we're going to make a buy entry. So for instance, in this instance, for example, the crossing has happened above the overbought, meaning we're going to take a sell entry. So where are we going to take the sell entry? It's going to be somewhere around this zone. Okay, so we could have taken our sell somewhere there. We could have sold somewhere there. Look. When am I going to come out of this trade? When am I going to close my trade and take my profit? Mostly I close my trade when the orange when the gold line, the gold moving average on the stock touches the level 20, touches the oversold zone, I take my trade. If I'm using 1 minute 1 minute time frame. Okay, let's look for another opportunity. This was a sell. Let's look for a buy. For a buy, guys. This is a very powerful strategy. People don't want you to know this. The guys out there, they use this strategy. Very powerful. Look, whenever there's this condition, look, there's a crossing here on the main chart, and then there is another crossing on the stochastic oscillator as well. Okay, there. Okay, the conditions have been met because the crossing on the stock have happened below the oversold. So we're gonna take a buy entry. So where are we gonna enter? Maybe to somewhere around here. So listen, look at this. Look at that. Let's say we've entered. We were going to buy there. Look at how all this profit. Look at all this profit, guys. Look at all these profit. Look at that. It's still going. This is a very powerful strategy. A lot of people use this strategy. I am going to be uploading videos of free profitable forex strategies every day, at least every day. So what you can do, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video, and leave your comment in the comment section so that I can read and I can easily reply to your comments. Let me show you guys. Let me go to, I like trading in 5 minutes time frame. Look at this. This is how powerful this strategy is. Look at this, guys. Conditions met. What happens next? Profit. Look at this. Check this out. Conditions were met here. We're buying. Look at that. What happens next? Profit. Lots of profit. Again, conditions were met. What happens next? Sometimes the market can go, the price can go against you for a little while, but because this strategy is very powerful, the market is gonna obey the conditions of this strategy. No matter what, the price will always obey the conditions of this strategy. Price always, all the time, always has to be either moving below the 300 moving average or above. If it's going up down, then the market is in consolidation. So when the market is in consolidation, what do? Please don't take any entry. Don't trade when the market is consolidating. Sorry. What's the best thing to do when it's consolidating? Look for a breakout. Start looking for a breakout. Start setting up your perimeters, your whatever tools you use to check a breakout, to identify a breakout. Then once you see it, go for it. That's the best way. But with this strategy, guys, very powerful. Whenever the conditions are met, price always has to obey those conditions. Look here again, same thing. This is in boom 1000. Okay, let's go to volatility 75. Let me show you guys that I'm not just talking from without. Look here, what happened? This is VIX 75, the famous VIX 75. Wow, what did I just do there? Okay, sorry, let me do it again. Look at that, and again, look at this. Conditions were met here. So where are we going to take our entry? Somewhere there. Okay, so let me just put a line where we could have taken our sell entry. We could have sold there. Look, market has gone against us. Remember what I just said? It can go against you. Don't panic, because the strategy is very powerful. The price is going to obey the conditions of this strategy. Look, it went against us, came back. Try to go against that, came back. These lines, guys, these moving average lines can act as a point of support or a point of resistance. So you have to be very observant. Every time the market will hit them, boom, it will bounce back. Every time price will hit them, it will bounce back. This is how powerful this strategy is. So you can be trading retracement. Every retracement that happens, you make an entry. Every retracement that happens, you make an entry. Maybe you get the profit of your previous retracement. I don't know what money strategies, what money management strategies you will apply, but this is a very powerful strategy. I just wanted to show you. Look at here again. Conditions were met. What happens next? Boom, profit. All that profit. Look here. Conditions were met. What happens? Profit. Look, all that profit. Let's see. Oh, every time. Look here. Conditions were met. What happens next? Profit. Conditions were met. Look here. Conditions were met. Here. What happens? Profit. Guys. Look here. Conditions were met. What happens next? A lot of profit. So guys, like I said, subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be showing you very powerful strategies. There are a lot of strategies, very powerful strategies, very simple strategies. I'm going to be uploading videos every day, at least every day, so that you can also get this information, you can also get this knowledge and apply it for yourself, for your own self, guys. Okay, my name is Mark Dash and I'm from the free Profitable Forex Strategies group. Kindly subscribe to this channel, hit the like button if you like the video, hit the notification bell so that you can receive notifications every time that I upload a new video. Enjoy your profits, guys. Sharp.